Hello there, my name is Stephanie Rojo, and I'm an associate attorney at Stone Law Offices in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are here today to talk about holographic wills. And I would like to caution you against preparing a holographic will because there are a number of hidden costs associated with doing the document. So what is a holographic will? It is a will that has the material provisions written in your own handwriting with a date attached to it as well as your own signature. So it's something that a lot of people think that, well, I could just do it at home. I could do it on a napkin, a piece of paper. It'll take me 5 minutes and I'll be done with it. I don't have to pay an attorney to do it. I'll do it on my own, and then there'll be no problems after I pass away. What they aren't considering is there could be missing provisions within that document. They could have failed to name an executor or an alternate executor to address the administration of their estate. They may or may not have addressed what might happen if a beneficiary dies prematurely. So there could be some ambiguity about where the assets go. And finally, they may not be considering the cost of administering a holographic will. Sure, you'll be saving money on the front end because you won't have an attorney involved in preparing the initial estate plan for you. You're doing it yourself. But on the back end, after you pass away, there will be a probate of your estate. If you have no other estate planning documents, if you have no trust, if you have not retitled your assets in another way, meaning you own them only individually in your own name, you have no beneficiaries attached, and you have this holographic will, then you are going to have a probate. Your family will have to address the probate upon your passing. And there will be an extra step involved with that probate, and that will be proving up the contents of that document, proving that the writing itself is your own handwriting. And in a digital age, it can be a little bit difficult to find really good writing samples for a handwriting expert to evaluate for purposes of determining that it's your handwriting. So that is a huge consideration that you need to keep in mind. It's not difficult to probate a holographic will, but it is costly in that there are extra steps. And when you have to get an expert involved, that means that the cost is going to go up even more. So what is something that you can do to help avoid this situation? Well, first and foremost, I would encourage you to reach out to an estate planning attorney to sit down and talk about what your wishes are, what you'd like to have happen upon your passing, and build in some layered planning in there for alternative planning in case an executor can't serve or if a beneficiary predeceases, and you lay out all of the framework for your estate plan with the estate planning attorney, and then that estate planning attorney will convert your wishes into documents that are relaying those wishes. So save yourself the trouble and go to an estate planning attorney. Please, please, please don't do your own holographic will. I've done some other videos about do-it-yourself documents that you can print online too. Those aren't ideal either. Your best bet is to sit down with an estate planning attorney. They know the law. They've seen these fact patterns before. They can make sure that you have all the layered planning in place so that no matter what if pops up, what type of scenario pops up in the what if world, you have the plan in place. You have the structure in place to address those what ifs. So please don't do your own holographic will. Pick up the phone, call an estate planning attorney. You are welcome to call me. My name is Stephanie Rojo. I'm an attorney at Stone Law Offices. My number is 702-998-0444. I look forward to speaking with you, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks.